Hello, thank you for this opportunity for me to speak to you about a very exciting project. My name is Chung Tam. I'm the president of Global Supply Chain Classroom, also known as GSCC. The GSCC is a leading platform for global educators, professionals, and academic institutions to improve the quality of supply chain services through the education at the college and university levels. GSCC's education and faculty development programs provide students and professionals worldwide access to quality education in logistics and supply chain education programs that meet international academic standards. The GSCC platform allows global academic community to collaborate on research to solve complex problems facing the global supply chain and international issues like supply chain sustainability, application of technology, food and cold chain logistics, multimodal transport, and international trade facilitation. Today, I'm very excited to announce a first-of-its-kind student competition, bringing the world's brightest students together to share ideas for creating sustainable supply chains. GSCC, in collaboration with the International Center for Transport Diplomacy, ICTD, welcome students from universities worldwide to compete in the inaugural Global Sustainable Supply Chain Student Competition. The competition will take place starting fall of 2023. In the past few years, we have all experienced major disruptions in the global supply chain. The interconnected nature of the global supply chains allow disruptions to spread throughout the global economy. A disruption anywhere in the supply chain can ripple throughout the chain, impacting the availability of critical goods, from agricultural commodities to cutting-edge electronics. Current examples that we're all aware of is like the pandemic, global COVID-19, the flooding and droughts throughout the world, and also geopolitical disputes and sanctions that are taking place. These and other disruptions will continue in the future. The next generation of supply chain leaders need to prioritize sustainable business practices and develop innovative solutions such as circular economy, clean energy, and technology innovations to create a positive global impact. We believe education is the key to a sustainable future. I've already introduced the Global Supply Chain Classroom, the international education platform, but it's worth noting that we have over 20 years experience in developing and delivering supply chain education in developed and developing nations. This competition is the capstone of the GSCC education platform. The goals of the competition are: 1, to draw attention to the social and economic benefits of supply chain sustainability. Secondly, the promotion of advanced management, technical and technological solutions aimed at developing sustainable supply chains. 3, educate students in sustainable supply chain practices and how they can make a positive impact. 4, train students to develop and apply innovative solutions to real-world problems and expose students to global ESG standards. And lastly, to promote UN Sustainable Development Goals and UN resolutions on sustainable transportation. Specifically, the SDGs that we are promoting are quality education, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation, and infrastructure, responsible consumption and production, climate action, and partnership for the goals. Students will be working in teams, and they will be tasked with creating an innovative, sustainable solution to a real-world supply chain challenge. To encourage us to think global, act local, to develop sustainable solutions in a local context. The solution needs to include an action-oriented, and practical plan for implementation in their home region, then demonstrate its application and impact on a global scale. The submissions will be assessed by the impact on environmental, social, and governance factors. The global competition is divided into regions, with regional rounds being hosted by a local university. For the Americas, we have the University of Rhode Island in the United States. Asia Pacific will be hosted by Beijing Wuxi University of China. Europe will be hosted by Esprit Industrie Campus in Redon, France. And we're currently looking for hosts in Eurasia and Middle East and Africa regions. The competition will take place over 3 rounds, starting with a paper submission and finishing with a presentation to a group of experts. The deliverables for this project are 1, a competition bringing the university students from around the world together to develop sustainable supply chains focusing on ESG. 2, a supply chain sustainable resource depository will be established where all student submissions will be made available to the public. 3, a supply chain sustainability teaching kit with learning resources to make education accessible will be developed. 4, we will hold meetings for supply chain sustainability educators to share best practices and research opportunities. And 5th, finalists for this competition will have the opportunity to present their projects to angel investors who may invest real money to help them further their projects. We invite all UN agencies and affiliates to support this competition by endorsing it and participating in the promotion of it. Our partner for this competition is the International Center for Transport Diplomacy and the International Federation for Freight Forwarders Association, also known as FIATA. Again, we also welcome other agencies, organizations on board. Please contact us if you are interested. Thank you for this opportunity, and we will be publishing more information on this competition on our website in the coming future. Thank you very much for your time.